Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device, from this device, any kind of transfer, only to any kind of device. You can send like from Android to another Android, you can send from Android to iPhone device. What you need is to download this app, Send Anywhere. You can download it from the Play Store, from App Store. So what you have to do is to just open this app on both devices. When you open it for the first time, you have to accept terms and privacy policy, then grant all the access it requires, like your storage. And then if you want to receive file, just go to the receive section. If you want to send file, go to the send, then select file which you want to send. Let's send, for example, photo. Then tap send. And then to receive file, what you have to do is to just enter this 6-digit number. You can share a link, or you can just enable camera and go to this QR code and receive file just like this. And as you can see, file sent. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.